Okay, and this is lesson 7 of chapter 8. We're going to be solving one-step inequalities just like we did in lesson 7 or chapter 7 with regular equations. But this time after we solve them, we're going to graph it on a number line. So the opposite of adding 7 is subtracting 7. So we have x is greater than or equal to 3 because 10 minus 7 is 3. Now we're going to draw our number line. Let's see, 0, 1, 2, 3. My circle is closed, and it's going to be greater than. So I should draw my line a bit more over here. But it's greater than going this way. Our next one, opposite of subtracting 3 is adding 3. So x is less than 12 because 9 plus 3 is 12. We're going to draw our line. 10, 11, 12. We're going to put our circle open this time. And we're drawing our line to the left because it's less than. The opposite of adding 2 is subtracting 2. So n is less than or equal to 3 because 5 minus 2 is 3. We'll draw our line. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to close it on 3 this time because it has the equal part to it. And it's less than, so we're going to the left. The opposite of subtracting 3 is adding 3. 9 plus 3 is 12. So y is greater than 12. We'll draw our line. Our circle is going to stay open on 12 because it's greater than 12. And we're going to be marking it to the right since it's greater than. So that was addition and subtraction. Now we're going to move on to multiplication and division. The opposite of multiplying by 5 is dividing by 5. So x is less than or equal to 9 because 45 divided by 5 is 9. We'll draw our line. 8, 9, 10. Our circle is going to go by 9. It's going to be filled in because it's less than or equal to. And our line's going this way to the left. Remember, if you forget which way to draw your line, the little sign points to the way you need to go. The opposite of dividing by 8 is multiplying by 8. So x is greater than 24. So we're going to draw our line. We have 23, 24, 25. Our circle is open because it's greater than. And we're going to the right for greater than. Our last one, the opposite of multiplying by 10 is dividing by 10. 80 divided by 10 is 8. So x is less than 8. We keep the circle open because it's less than. And we're going to the left with our arrow. And that's all you have to do. If you need more help, make sure you're going to YouTube to find more videos or Khan Academy.